Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. This week, I have apps to create your own website. Today, I'm talking about Wix versus WordPress. These two applications are for building your own website. Though they have different objectives and features, Wix is a website builder, while WordPress is a content management system and website builder. Both can be used in similar ways, and each has their own strengths and weaknesses. When it comes to choosing which one, a lot has to do with the purpose for your site and your budget. Are you looking to host a blog or online portfolio, or use the website to sell products and services? I use both applications for different purposes. I use WordPress for my online portfolio and blog. On there, I have examples of my voice work and writing, and I update the blog with projects I'm working on. As for Wix, I use it to host the website for my side business, selling t-shirts and accessories. I list the products for sale and host a blog for updates about the business. So, which one do I like better? That's a good question. Let's get into it. Starting with WordPress. I've used the free version of WordPress for probably a decade by now. Personally, I find WordPress to be more intuitive and easier to navigate than Wix. That might be because the WordPress free plan is simplistic in its themes and functionality. You get a simple website or blog. That's it. If you want to add products for purchase, booking calendars, SEO programs, email campaigns, anything extra, you need to upgrade to one of their paid plans to add these plugins. They add a lot of customization and functionality to your website. If you don't know what a plugin is, think of it as an app you can add to your website. Moving forward, let's look at how to customize your webpage on WordPress. It has hundreds of free templates to choose from and offers paid themes. These are usually more sophisticated. Once you choose a theme, you can add pages and menus using the website editor. The editor is a sidebar full of drop-down menus where you can add more menus and link pages to them. You can edit how the desktop, tablet, and mobile version of your website looks. To edit the content of each page, you use the main dashboard. With the free version, your website URL will be websitetitle.wordpress.com. Mine is tinalamoureux.wordpress.com. Since I use mine as an online resume/portfolio, I don't mind having WordPress in the URL. But if you're an organization or business, then buying the domain name for your website is a good idea. It makes the URL look more professional and easier to remember. If I bought a domain name, my website would be tinalamoureux.com. Moving on to Wix and its user experience. It's a lot more dynamic. Wix offers a more hands-on approach to editing your web page. They have hundreds of free and paid themes you can choose from. Once you choose a theme, you can customize it to your heart's content. Wix allows you to drag and drop different elements anywhere on the web page. This makes adding elements like images, icons, and text really easy. I've only used Wix in the past couple of years. For me, it has a steep learning curve. I kept hitting snags when I wanted to create menus on my page. The Wix editor does have a sidebar where you can search for different elements. But it was hard for me to figure out how to connect all the different web pages I created to my main menu. On WordPress, that process was a breeze. All I had to do was hit Add Page to the menu. But with Wix, it was a nightmare. And I had the problem that if I adjusted one element on Wix, it would alter another element. This was especially frustrating when I worked on the mobile version of my site. I have to say though, after all my frustration with Wix, my site in the end looked pretty sleek. Because it's for my side business, I pay for the business subscription plan. With that, I got a free domain name for a year. After that, it's around $15 a year. I also got site analytics, the ability to post products and accept payments, and more. Wix offers a lot of apps you can embed into your site, like SEO analytics, a chat box for your customers, booking calendars, lots of apps to help you run a business page. Once my Wix website was built, maintenance and adding products was extremely easy. Many people I've talked to have the opposite opinion to mine. They thought WordPress had a steep learning curve and were able to breeze through building a website on Wix. When it comes down to it, it all depends on the purpose of your site. If your goal is to create a simple website for your business, a blog, or a website that posts a lot of content, then I would suggest WordPress. Visually, it's not as customizable, but it has a lot of plugins and back-end features for managing content like blog posts and articles. If you want a website that really pops visually and you want to create an online shop, Wix is the way to go. The basic versions for both apps are free, so you can always try them both out to see which one fits your needs and learning style better. If you're looking to build a professional or business website associated with your job as an insurance agent, be sure to stay on top of CMS guidelines for marketing. You can find some great episodes on CMS compliance in the video description. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next episode.